Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to enable notifications for startup items, so that way if you install a program or something else puts itself in your startup group to start up when you turn on your computer, this way you'll get notified so you can go check it out and maybe disable it, which will come in handy if it's something malicious, like a virus or spyware. So normally if you want to check your startup items, you could right click on your Start button here and go to Task Manager. And if you go to Startup, you can see what's set to startup, and you could sort by enabled and disabled, and then disable things as needed. So if you want to see a notification if something gets added to this, you could do so pretty easily. So what we're going to do, so here we have the startup programs folder here on this computer. So I'll put a path and description so you can just copy and paste it and go right to it, and you can kind of see what's in there. So this has nothing in this particular folder here. So what we're going to do is enable the notifications first from the Windows settings. So from System and then Notifications, and then you have this Startup App notification, which is off by default. So you can expand this, and then you can turn it on, and then you can decide what kind of notifications you get. Banners, Notification Center, and if you want to do the typical thing like hide the content on the lock screen, play sounds, priority levels, and so on. So we have that turned on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this Firefox shortcut in here. And then we'll give it a second for the notification to kick in. So there you go. We got this notification. Firefox is continued or configured to run when you log in. Then it tells you what to do. Go to Settings, Apps, and Startup. And then you could, let's go ahead and do that. Apps, Startup, and then you have your list here. So there's Firefox, how it's been added, and you can come turn it off here. So it's another way to do it besides Task Managers if you want to just come in here and do so. So once again, from System, Notifications, Startup App Notification, just turn it on, and then that way every time something gets added to your startup items, you'll be notified, and then you could decide if you want to keep it in there or disable it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.